Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn Messenger notifications off. All right. First up, open up Messenger, then go to the three horizontal lines right here at the top left, tap on it. And once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on the gear icon. Tap on the gear icon. In here, scroll down until you find the option notification. All right, notification and sounds, and tap on it. Once you're in here, it's up to you if you want to customize your notifications. If not, if you want to turn all notifications off, just go ahead and tap on the slider right here to toggle it off. All right. Now mute notifications for 24 hours if you want to, 8, 1 hour, or 15 minutes. All right. Let's say, for example, 15 minutes right here. Just tap on OK. All right. As you can see here, muted until 10:37 a.m. as it is only set to 15 minutes. You can still send and receive messages on Messenger, but you won't receive system notification. All right. Another option here is just by going to the home screen and tap and hold on the Messenger app info if you're using Android. But if you're using iOS, go ahead and locate settings and app section. Once you're on the app section, select Messenger and turn off notifications. In here on Android, tap on notifications right here, tap, and simply tap on the slider again. And from there, you won't be able to receive any notifications from the app itself. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.